Hi YouTube, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create a website with Gatsby and React.js. So first what we're going to have to do is install the Gatsby CLI. So I'm going to type in npm install -g gatsby-cli. This is going to install it into the our node modules. Okay, it's installed. So now I want to write Gatsby new starter template. You can put any name for starter template. It's creating the new site from this repository here. Also, it uses GraphQL for more advanced users. You can add a search engine optimization into your Gatsby site. And pretty much what this does is it creates a website with a lot of packages already installed, so you don't have to install them. So cool. Now we created the first template. So I'm going to clear this. Now I want to CD into that starter template. And I'm going to write Gatsby develop. And great. Now we can view our Gatsby starter default. So here it is. This is our template. We can it has routing as well already installed, so it's pretty cool. And I'll show you the code to this as well. So I'm going to open up a new terminal and open up my Visual Studio Code. And in this code, we can see it has components, layout, where our site is. It also has search engine optimization installed into it. So we could add like descriptions, titles, descriptions, Twitter, whatever you want to do. You can also add keywords. So you will pop up in Google search history, things like that. Then images, astronaut, logo, has 404 errors. It has some text here. So I can change this text. And then if I save it, this will update. Welcome to your new Gatsby starter site. Yes. And so you can see it changes pretty quickly. Watch right as I save it. It'll update here. Boom. All right. Now I'm going to stop this. You can also see that it updates. Compiles. Really nice layout they made. So I'm going to clear this. And now let's say we finally have our website. It's fully built. It's done. So we're going to create a production build. So I'm going to write Gatsby build. And every time you want to create a production build of your site, you need to run Gatsby build. Cool. It's pretty done. It's done already. 24 seconds to build. Not too bad, considering how many packages we have installed already. You can see the packages in here. all these dependencies, Gatsby, images, plugins, React. So it uses React, as you can see here. Prefer classes instead of constants, but I don't know. Cool. And now I'm going to write Gatsby serve, and this is creating a production build. So, and that runs on port 9000. Great. That's our production build. Cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Go watch my other videos if you want to. Thanks.